Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on antique rugs, also known as traditional rugs. Now, when you come across a rug with a traditional design, generally you'll notice that it has a beautiful border that's coupled with a medallion in the center. This particular rug here actually has multiple medallions going in the middle. Another aspect of traditional rugs are certain traditional color tones that are used, such as navy, red, brown, and rust tones. Those are the most common tones that you'll find in antique rugs. Now, this particular rug is an antique Shiraz rug, which has a tribal design. Usually within tribal rugs, you'll see birds and animals, along with more of a coarser weave in the design. The reason that tribal rugs have more of a coarser weave is because they're woven in nomadic regions, in comparison to rugs that are woven in larger cities within larger workshops. And right now I'm going to show you another rug that is woven in a larger city, just to be able to compare and contrast the two different styles. Now, this beautiful Persian Esfahan rug right below me was woven in the city of Esfahan, which is known for their rug workshops that used to weave beautiful antique rugs to almost near perfection. When it comes to these type of city rugs, you'll notice that for the most part they have an intricate floral design. And in order to achieve that, you have to have a high knot count when it comes to being able to weave those rugs and weave those type of designs. So when you compare an antique tribal rug to an antique floral rug, you'll notice that the ones that are woven in nomadic regions generally have that coarser design in comparison to the ones that are woven in the workshops in larger cities. And just to showcase this beautiful rug a little bit more, as you can see, there's this marvelous floral design. You have the medallion right here in the center. You have this beautiful intricate border going around. Even the tip here has a signature along with the name of the workshop signed right there. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our website blog at rouzatirugs.com, where we share a lot of great information with regards to rugs. Thanks for watching.